is sprawler, not another, cause me full up of money.
Yeah, what style, man, for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God skeleton, then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
Do no start no drama, me have up a llama, fish out up your corner.
Viewers and subscribers, I want you to go over HATAKLAPZ right now, like now, today, minute, now, this moment. Yeah man, in drop a song name, God Mode. And I say viewers and subscribers, when you hear a song from the start to finish, I just nod it just another head like so. The artist just a galang, so I say yo, I wanna sprawler gang man them, you know the thing going on man. Dog, I say straight sprawler, you see me? You know say produced by Sprawler Music, said way, see pre. I don't know a record, a girl side record, you know a thing going on man. I say I watch the artist this, No joke. I say viewers and subscribers, I just want to know if you take the time out and go listen to the artist. Go and go listen to the catalog a song. And the song is titled God Mode. You see me? I tell you say when you in a God mode, I tell you say I just niceness. No joke. Here piece my artist, cause I come like me I talk to me.
Nah smile, daily money and never part-time, carbine. Any
artist ain't easy at all. And hear me song, God Mode. I sing about gyal, I sing about money, I sing about badness. Who are you? Hear me I say, viewers and subscribers, I want them to just go by artist V, by artist name HATAKLAPZ. So you can go find him over there. He have more than one song over there, you see me? Yeah man, I say artist. In that song, yeah, the artist go full speed, the artist no ease up, no time, give no break. Yeah, say, yeah man, I wonder if all the engineer if the song, if you read him all the run out and the dog full of more lyrics for his song. That's how me feel. You see me? So I say right now, I just want to know if you go over the artist Vivo and go give the artist a support. I big up the man where shoot the video, edit it up, you see me? I big up the man them where mix and master it said way. You don't know, big up Sprawler gang, you see me? Girl Side Records, big up yourself said way. One Ochi Badness, North Coast, up in no artist. Just go and do the right thing, you hear that? Viewers and subscribers, just remember if you do the right thing.
30 mil the panda carrier, big blood clot, fat Benz I take it.